Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how to show a query form or contact form in your pop-up within your WordPress website. In my previous video, we understood how to create a pop-up in which you can show an offer image on your WordPress website using a plugin which is called as Popup Builder. And right now also, if you see our website, if I reload the website, so after 10 seconds of reloading the website or refreshing the website, our pop-up will be visible in which an offer of 10% discount image will also be there. And here is the pop-up. Now let's say if instead of this particular image you want to show a query form. Now, what is the significance of showing a query form or a contact form inside a pop-up? Its significance is to capture the lead of the user or the visitors who are coming onto your website. Because let's say if somebody is coming onto your website and you want to collect the information of the users, then the best way is to show a pop-up while they are, browsing your website. And if they are interested, they will definitely fill the form and they can submit the form given in the pop-up. So how to achieve this functionality? For that, we will simply follow 3 steps. Number 1, we will create a form using contact form 7 plugin. Number 2, we will integrate that particular form inside a pop-up, and number 3, we will simply show the pop-up on our WordPress website. So let's go to the contact form and click on contact forms. So let's create a contact form which we can show inside the pop-up. So for that, we will click on add new, and if you have already a contact form created, don't worry, you can simply use that. So we'll say contact form for pop-up. Even if you are using some other plugin to create contact form, that's absolutely okay. I'll tell you how to integrate inside the pop-up. So here the name of the contact form I have given, and here I will click on just save, and I will keep as it is all the functionalities. If you don't know how to create a contact form using CF7 plugin, so I have created multiple videos around that. You can click on the I button or the link given in the description box to watch those videos. So here I have created a form, and in contact form 7, usually we get a short code. So here is the short code. So we'll simply the short code here, and we'll go to the pop-up builder plugin. That is our step number 2. Here we will create a new pop-up. So click on add new button. And this time we will use the HTML type in order to integrate the short code inside the pop-up. So we'll click on HTML, and we can name the pop-up as query pop-up. Don't worry, this name will not be visible to the user. This is just for our reference. And here we will simply paste the short code that we have copied. So as soon as we pasted the short code, it is now integrated. Now, as we discussed in the last video, even if you want to, change the display rules, right now the pop-up will be visible on the entire website. Event is on load, and after on load, let's say after 5 seconds, I want to show the pop-up. And if I want to change the dimension, I will click on dimensions, and I want to show it to the 40% of the total website dimensions. Now click on the publish and publish. So right now we have 2 pop-ups. So let me disable the previous one so that pop-up will not conflict. So this is our image pop-up that we created in the last video. So I'll just disable it by clicking on this button. And now we have only 1 pop-up enabled on our WordPress website. Now go to the website, refresh the page. After 5 seconds, it will be visible to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here is the query form. You can see the default fields which we had in our contact form: your name, your email, subject, and your message. And now, since this form is shown in the pop-up, so it will be displayed to the user like this. And as discussed in my previous videos also, you can change the dimension, you can customize this pop-up as per your need. You can show it, maybe after 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And let's say if user want to fill this form, so email will say demo@gmail.com, right? Subject, let's say demo. Here also demo I will say, and click on submit. So once user is submitted the form, you can see the message, thank you for your message, it has been sent. And you can also redirect them to the thank you page. So for that also we have created a video. You can go and watch it out, how to redirect the contact form submission to a thank you page in order to show a successful message. So guys, that's it for this video. So we learned how to create a pop-up in which you can show a query form on your WordPress website. step by step using a plugin which is called Popup Builder. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our side whenever we upload a new video on our YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.